Akoto Dashcam. The Akoto 1080 pixels waterproof motorcycle camera DVR is a solid choice for riders seeking a dual camera system with reliable features. It combines HD video recording, weatherproof durability, and smart safety features into a compact and user-friendly package. Dual camera system for comprehensive coverage. The Akoto motorcycle dashcam provides front and rear dual recording, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your ride. The front camera delivers 1080 pixels resolution with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, while the rear camera captures 720 pixels video with a 90 degrees field of view. This setup strikes a good balance between performance and cost, capturing critical footage from multiple perspectives. Reliable in all weather conditions. The camera's professional waterproof and dustproof design is ideal for handling rain, fog, or dusty environments. Riders can trust this dashcam to perform reliably under tough weather conditions, making it suitable for year-round use. G-sensor lock for collision protection. Equipped with a built-in G-sensor, the Akoto dashcam automatically locks video footage during a collision, ensuring critical moments are saved securely. Convenient power options. The recorder can be powered directly via the motorcycle's USB port or an external mobile power supply, eliminating the need for complex wiring. This flexibility enhances its usability, making it easy to install and operate without modifying your bike. Safe driving mode for added safety. The safe driving mode is a standout feature, alerting riders if they exceed preset speed or time thresholds. Even in this mode, the front and rear cameras continue recording, ensuring no footage is missed. This feature encourages safer riding practices while maintaining full recording capabilities. Automatic recording and loop functionality. The dashcam starts recording automatically when the motorcycle is powered on, requiring no manual intervention. It also seamlessly saves and loops recordings, ensuring uninterrupted documentation of your journey. SIS Dashcam. The SIS VSIS dual motorcycle DVR is a robust and reliable dashcam designed for motorcyclists, featuring dual 1080p cameras for front and rear recording. Its waterproof design ensures durability in various weather conditions, while night vision capability enhances visibility in low-light environments. Hardwired connection. It's hardwired to the bike. The main unit is mounted under the seat. The separated small camera is fixed with double-sided foam tape and can be fastened with screws. It's easy for hidden installation without being noticed, which is different from the helmet or action camera. Horizontal and vertical angles of the lens can be easily adjusted to obtain a better viewing angle. Built-in Wi-Fi and easy video management. Connect to the built-in Wi-Fi and open the Wi-Fi camera app to seamlessly view, playback, configure, download, or share incredible HD video wirelessly on your mobile device. App supports both iOS and Android systems. High resolution and night vision. Both D6RL and D6WL record in front 1920 by 1080 and rear 1920 by 1080 resolution. And both models feature night vision, which can enhance details in dark surroundings, capture incredible images in low-light environments. Waterproof protection. Both cameras have been related to IP67 waterproof resistance, plus IP65 waterproof design for cables, wired remote, and other accessories. Whether it's rainy or dusty, it works steadily, recording every moment of your journey. Automatic video recording. The DVR starts automatically with the key ignition and turns off once the bike is not being used. Up to 256 GB micro SD card support. Support a maximum 256 GB micro SD card, which allows up to 23 hours of recording before overwriting. Seamless loop recording. The most important thing about a dashboard camera is saving all of the critical footage for later viewing. While the memory card has limited capacity, we have designed the loop recording function to overwrite the oldest file continuously when the SD card is full, so that your device is constantly recording and you never lose the most recent footage. Protect video evidence. The dashcam will automatically enter rec mode after powered on, and it can automatically capture unexpected driving accidents and saves video footage of the collision. Your safety and legal rights are always under protection. You can also press the emergency button of wired remote to manually activate emergency recording mode to lock the video file you want to lock. Akio Motorcycle Dashcam. The AKY710S motorcycle dashcam delivers exceptional video quality, thanks to the Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor. With smooth 2K resolution at an impressive 55 FPS and the ability to upscale to 4K, this camera ensures sharp and detailed footage, making it ideal for capturing every moment of your ride. The 142 degrees wide-angle lens enhances coverage, even in low-light scenarios, setting a high bar for motorcycle cameras in its class. Robust parking surveillance. This camera excels in parking security with its 24-hour monitoring capability. Features like loop recording and a built-in G-sensor ensure that all footage is recorded seamlessly while locking critical moments to prevent overwriting. Riders can leave their motorcycles parked with confidence, knowing this device will safeguard against incidents. Designed for all weather conditions. The IP66 rated design guarantees that the AKY710S stands up to water and dust, making it reliable in rain or tough outdoor conditions. Its 1800 mAh battery delivers over 5.5 hours of recording at 1080 pixels, which is excellent for extended rides or work environments. Seamless wireless connectivity. The 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity and over-the-air updates are standout features. Riders can view, download, and share videos directly from their smartphones without dealing with SD cards or computers. This convenience greatly enhances the user experience and makes managing footage effortless. Versatile and user-friendly design. The package includes 4 mounting options, ensuring adaptability for handlebars, helmets, or rear-view mirrors. Its DIY-friendly setup is a welcome touch for users seeking an easy installation process. The addition of HDR technology improves video clarity further, even in challenging lighting conditions. With theft-resistant features and a 1-year warranty, the AKY710S offers peace of mind. Leuven V8 Motorcycle Dashcam. The Leuven V8 Motorcycle Dashcam is a feature-packed option for riders looking to document their adventures or enhance safety. With its robust build and advanced recording capabilities, it caters to the needs of both casual and serious motorcyclists. High-quality video. The dual 1440 pixels resolution ensures crisp and detailed footage. A 150 degrees wide-angle lens provides expansive coverage of the road, capturing more of your surroundings. The Sony sensor and wide dynamic range technology enhance clarity, especially in challenging lighting conditions, including nighttime. IP66 waterproof rating. Designed to perform in adverse weather conditions, the camera is resistant to rain, snow, and splashes, ensuring reliability year-round. User-friendly Wi-Fi and app integration. Built-in Wi-Fi allows easy connectivity to your smartphone via the Timicam or Roadcam apps. Users can preview, download, and share recordings directly from their mobile devices without needing a computer. Convenient recording features. Loop recording automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the storage card is full, ensuring uninterrupted recording. G-sensor detects collisions or sudden impacts and locks the corresponding footage to prevent accidental deletion. Super night vision. Equipped with a Sony sensor, the dashcam excels in low-light conditions, providing clear and balanced footage even at night. Storage and compatibility. Supports micro SD cards up to 64 GB, with loop recording functionality for efficient storage management. Diavi Dashcam. The Diavi 1080 pixels waterproof motorcycle DVR is a budget-friendly dual-camera dashcam offering basic functionality for motorcycle enthusiasts. It is suitable for capturing front and rear footage during rides, providing safety and convenience with its simple design. Dual camera setup. The front camera records at 1080 pixels with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens, while the rear captures 720 pixels footage with a 90 degrees field of view. Offers reasonable coverage for documenting road conditions and surrounding traffic. Waterproof design. IP67 rated waterproofing for the lens and cables ensures durability in wet conditions. The host is rated IP65, offering some resistance to dust and water splashes. Loop recording and parking monitoring. Supports seamless loop recording with options for 1-, 3-, or 5-minute intervals. Parking monitoring detects movement or impact while the bike is parked, enhancing security. Compact display and control. A 2.0-inch display allows users to view recordings directly on the device. Wire controller recording offers hands-free operation and playback convenience. Storage and power. Compatible with TF cards ranging from 4 GB to 64 GB, not included. Powered by a high-temperature polymer lithium battery, with support for vehicles with power ranges of 8 to 36 volt. Durability and usability. Operates within a wide temperature range, -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for extreme weather conditions. Built with an ABS plastic shell for added durability.